Welcome to my channel. If you don't know me yet, my team will leave a video link here where you can learn more about who I am, my background as a doctor, and the work I've done. Today, I want to talk about something very important: what we're doing in my country to teach and protect sexual health, and the projects we've launched to make that possible. In one of our previous videos, I talked about how sexual health education works in our country, and I asked if you could share how it's taught in yours. I want to thank all of you so much for the interest and feedback you've shared. Here in our country, together with a group of doctors, psychologists, and legal experts, we founded an association to improve reproductive and sexual health. It's called SUCED, the Association for Healthy Reproductive and Sexual Education. Why did we feel the need to start this? Because we were facing so many sexual health problems. Adolescents were being exposed to serious risks and didn't have proper protection. There was a lot of misinformation, and many young people didn't understand the harms of entering sexual relationships at a very early age without awareness or education. Society was changing rapidly. With the rise of social media, role models and influencers suddenly shifted. Many children were drifting away from their families and beliefs, confused by the harmful influence of social media figures presented as role models. Substance abuse, cigarettes, alcohol, and drugs became more common and started affecting younger and younger age groups. As doctors, this situation deeply concerns and saddens us. There's also the rise in unwanted pregnancies, more abortions done under unsafe conditions, young girls disliking their bodies and turning to cosmetic surgeries early, and the rapid spread of sexually transmitted diseases. Genital cancers had started appearing as early as ages 17 to 18. As HPV spread across the world like an epidemic, these cancers began affecting young girls at alarmingly early ages. So, we came together and established an association. You can check out our official page. After that, we began preparing our books. We wrote 6 encyclopedias and 3 separate books. These books are reference materials for educators, doctors, and parents alike. Textbook-style works covering sexual health in all its aspects. And later, once our association was established and most of our books were completed, we created an educational academy, an affiliate organization of our association. In other words, it is an initiative dedicated to teaching sexual health. Our motto is Sexual Health Education from the Womb to the Grave. To design and deliver safe sexual health education programs for every age group. So how will this be achieved, you may ask? Through online trainings, translating our books into multiple languages, international medical congresses, joint symposiums, collaborative surgical projects, and knowledge exchange among professionals. Also by preparing articles, contributing them to humanity, exposing misconceptions, and replacing them with accurate information. So, why is reproductive health deteriorating? Why is sperm count declining? And why is sperm motility decreasing? There are many factors affecting men, such as stress, substance addiction, and low testosterone levels. But the most critical factor is poor nutrition. Nowadays, it's very difficult for people to access proper nutrition. Finding clean and healthy ways to eat is truly challenging. The fact that almost everything is processed and artificial prevents the body's systems from functioning as they should. As doctors, we see this clearly, and so do physicians around the world. Our greatest dream and mission is to continue all of this through the Academy's training programs, messages shared on social media, and live YouTube broadcasts. We aim to deliver accurate and healthy sexual knowledge for the future of humanity. to raise awareness about the harms of pornography, and to promote a sexual health perspective that rejects pornography and deviant behaviors, while emphasizing the benefits a healthy sex life can bring to individuals and society worldwide. You too can contribute by offering suggestions, proposing online training programs, or initiating collaborative projects. Starting with doctors, mental health specialists, and spiritual counselors, as well as individual professionals like urologists and psychologists, are all conducting noteworthy work in this field. On our own platform, we advance a holistic educational model that combines our country's traditions, family structure, Islamic beliefs, and medical knowledge, all for the benefit of humanity. With case analyses and medical or healing methods shared by you, we can make this effort even more effective and powerful. To everyone who hears my voice, I send my respect and love. I send my greetings and look forward to your valuable comments on our platform. Take care.